Hello all. So this is a continuation of the previous video only. So if you would have seen the previous video, means in the previous video we have made some things for working with the table of contents, and then I have intimated that we would have worked with a list of figures and list of tables. So list of figures and list of tables usually we will make in a separate in thesis. I'm just making working with thesis in a separate thing only, a list of tables and figures, and for that also we will give the page number. So I'm just making it in separate pages. Then list of figures also I'm just making in separate page. Okay, now we can move to this intro figure. So this is the table I have made. So first we can just make some design as per you need. Then table 1, if you want to move it to top, means you can just move it, but now we can just check with the table of that is how to work with this list of tables. For that, I'm just clicking the pointer here, just notice it. So at before T, and now I'm moving to reference tab. Here I'm moving to insert caption, and here I'm clicking this figure. So you can notice figure is coming, but here we have to label table. So I'm giving table 3. In that case, table will come. But this if you want, don't need to give table, means you can just click this exclude label from option. Then for numbering, here I have given the chapter, so only it is coming like 3.1. If I have neglected this, means now it will come like 1. So based on your option you can just give, but in thesis mostly we will give the chapter numberings only, like 1.1, 2.1 only. So I'm giving the chapter number here. And if you what is the separator you need, I have given period. So but if you want hyphen or colon, means based on that you can just change it. Here I have given period, and then I have given okay, and here also okay. So now if you notice, means this thing is obtained. Other tab thing I have deleted. If you want, here if you want to change any things, that is font size, means first you can change, it is not an issue. um Color also we can change. This is totally your thing only. If you want both in caps, means that is bold, means you can just keep it as such. Now so figure table caption is entered, right? So previously I said that you have to click the pointer in table 1. So I will just mention with figure. So this is you can just give some figure, but here I'm not giving any figure. I'm just mentioning it a label. So I'm here. If you click in the middle and moving to this references, and then you can click this insert caption. Here you have to select a figure, and now if you give, means if you notice the difference, the figure is coming in the different center, but we no need it in the center, right? And we can also delete this. So only I'm giving the front in the which part you need, that in that you keep the pointer and then give insert caption, and then if you insert, means, and next you have to give just okay. If you want to give any spacing, means you can also give that. And then I'm just, if you want to change the color, means also you can change. Then font size, font also you can change. So by this we have made the figures also. Now I will explain how to make it in this table of figures and table of captions. So first this, if in after the list of tables only, you have to make the list of table thing. So you can keep the pointer at the down in which you have to make the, at the place in which you have to make the list of tables, and next move to this references tab, and next click this insert table of figures. Here Just notice whether it is having figure or table. First we are giving table, no, so next first give table. And next if you want to modify any size means you can just modify over here. Here I am just modifying this Times New Roman. Others I haven't touched anything, but if you need means you can change. So okay, I have given it, and here also I'm giving okay. And next I'm giving another okay. Now if you see means the table name, it's labeling with the page number is find. So but if you also need for list of figures means uh, next here some one space will be down, because we the previously one space is inserted, no, that you have to check. So that is the only disadvantage with this. Other will be okay. So likewise now we are moving with figures. Here now you can just click insert figure of figure. So here figure is only there, so now you can move to. But if you want to modify any, already it is Times New Roman only. But if you want to change this means you can just click this modify and you can modify it. So I'm just giving okay. Now we may notice the list of figures is obtained. So again, there will be a change in table of contents. No. So in that case, you can just click this, and I'm giving update table. Here we have to only change this page numbers. So I'm clicking OK. Now if you notice means the page number is changed. So this will be easy for you while working with an 100 page or 200 page thesis. So like this, if you are interested to ask me any doubts how to do this means, if I know means I will definitely make an video regarding it. Thank you.